asuntoskeuttiö Liipolan Lehto.
Yeah, nobody is coming.
Yeah.
Today on the 28th of July 2003. And it's Lehtokatu 3 staircase C. We just filmed staircase A. Hopefully we can get to the staircases B, D, E and F here later. And it's here Liipola, Lahti, Finland. It was built in 1970 by Kone with pop-out fixtures, turning 55 years old in 2025 and it's going to be inspected again. And this here SH1808. Let's get to us here. The best is 4 persons or 10 grams.
It has memory, of course.
Yeah. So I don't know what you wanted to press.
Yeah, no.
I was looking at it.
Yeah.
That works perfectly.
Yeah.
And the interior looks like it was refurbished in the 1990s, but otherwise original.
Yeah. Is titpakki vai inspektään, men teen bara som en hissurakoin.
I love this man in here.
Same.
And luckily it was not yet badly morosed or replaced.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's